Hi there, I'm Kate from Owl Labs, and today I'm giving you a closer look at the Lenovo ThinkSmart Core and Meeting Owl 4 Plus bundle, which showcases how Owl Labs and Lenovo Microsoft Teams Room solutions work together. For more information on our room solutions in partnership with Lenovo, check out the caption of this video. Now, let's take a closer look at the Lenovo ThinkSmart Core and the Meeting Owl 4 Plus. This bundle is a complete Microsoft Teams Room solution. This means your meeting attendees can simply walk into the room and join the meeting with a single tap of the Lenovo ThinkSmart controller. No setup or laptop needed. The Lenovo ThinkSmart Core will host your meeting, while the Meeting Owl 4 Plus acts as your smart camera, speaker, and microphone to ensure that no one misses a thing. Both of these devices are certified for Microsoft Teams, making it easier than ever to set up and use for your Teams meetings. And with that, let's unbox the devices. We'll start with the Meeting Owl 4 Plus. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to set up your Meeting Owl. This includes a Meeting Owl 4 Plus, of course, a power adapter and line cord, a USB-C to C super speed cable for 4K video resolution, a setup guide, a table card with holder, a sheet with safety, regulatory, and warranty information, an Owl Labs sticker, and inbox documentation with instructions on how to connect to additional devices to extend video and audio reach in larger spaces. Now, let's take a look at what comes inside the Lenovo ThinkSmart Core box. Inside the box, you'll find a ThinkSmart Core Gen 2, a Lenovo ThinkSmart controller, a quick start guide, a general power adapter, a USB-C to C cable, a VESA mount bracket, and a power cage. Now that everything's out of the box, it's your turn to set it up and watch as this room solution takes your meetings to new heights. As a reminder, you can find more helpful information in the caption of this video. And if you have any questions or issues, feel free to chat us at owllabs.com or send us an email at hello@owllabs.com, and we'd be happy to help. Happy meeting!